Well, here's something to think about before you sit down for Thanksgiving Day dinner. Almost 60% of Americans are fully vaccinated. So that leaves 2 out of 5 who choose not to get one or they can't for whatever reason. And if you're trying to plan a full family Thanksgiving dinner that is safe for everyone, this might be a sticky issue regarding family that is not vaccinated. Senior health correspondent Monica Robbins gives us some tips on how to have a respectful conversation that won't start World War III.
If you're the host, of course you can make rules that all must be vaccinated, but excommunicating a family member may cause more stress down the road. Experts say start by dropping your judgment and just listen. Set the tone of the conversation by letting them know you'll be patient, open, and honest. Reserve your opinion, but respect theirs, and don't dismiss their reasons. Remember, this is someone you love enough to have at dinner. If you're honest about what you know and don't know, you give them permission to question their own preconceived biases. Share with them what made you decide to get the vaccine. Include facts and resources that helped you make your decision and personal conversations you've had with your own medical professionals. Ask them if they see any benefit to getting the vaccine. Ask if they've spoken to their personal doctor about it, and if not, gently suggest that perhaps that's something they may want to do. If they still choose not to get vaccinated, accusing them of not doing their part, belittling them, or demonizing them isn't going to help, but it may put a permanent rift in your relationship. Instead, ask what they are willing to do to protect someone you both love at dinner, or tell them your personal concerns for them if they're not protected. Studies show people are far more likely to listen to loved ones than they are the government or the news. If you can't come up with a reasonable agreement, perhaps try again for the December holidays, or agree to disagree and plan to get together hopefully next year.
And I can hear a number of you going, oh, no way, that's not going to work, including someone sitting next to me. So I asked several doctors I speak to about how they react to patients who refuse to get vaccinated. They all said the same thing. They listen. They don't judge. They try to understand why the patient feels or believes the way they do. Then they offer guidance, facts, resources. It is not an easy discussion for those on the front lines to have. And of course, many are frustrated. But shaming or being demeaned, you know, that really doesn't work on anyone for any reason. So,
Okay, Monica.
yeah, you're gonna have that new conversation with family, you know, and you know, again, you can agree to disagree, and this is one of those things. But you know, you have to decide if you want those folks at your Thanksgiving table, if you're concerned about the safety of another.
Yeah, well, I'm a loved one and the news, so it kind of cancels each other out. So asking for proof of vaccination is probably not the way to go in case they pull in Aaron Rodgers or something.
You know, I'm not going there with you on that one. But it's your Thanksgiving dinner. You do what you feel you need to do, but you know what? It's better always to have that calm conversation.
Yes.
And all of us, we have 2 of these and 1 of these for a reason. Shush and listen.
Very good. We're listening to you, Monica.
Sure.
Keep the peace. Thanks so much. And hey,